Hello, hello. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. I'm coming at you with a Walmart haul today. It's been a while since I've done just a classic Walmart haul, so I've got lots of different outfit options for you. And if you watch to the end, bonus, we also have some men's outfits that Cody modeled for us, so I'm going to share those as well. Prices are amazing on all of these things, and quality is so much better than I expected. Most of the things are from that free assembly brand at Walmart, which has become one of my favorite brands there. The quality just exceeds my expectations every time. So these are pieces that you for sure do not want to miss, both men's and women's. So everything will be linked in the video description right down below, and we will go ahead and get started. Starting off with this super cute puff sleeve dress. This one comes in black and this yellow, and I believe like a coral color as well. This is $24, you guys. I cannot believe the price for the quality of this. It is kind of like a stretchy, it's almost like a cotton blend. So it's very soft, very comfortable, but it gives you the silhouette of something that's a little bit easier to dress up. So I love this one because it is this kind of cotton blend fabric. You can definitely just do this with some sandals. Would also work even as workwear. You could dress it up for workwear or for an event. If you've got weddings to attend, it could work for that as well. So very versatile piece. I feel like for $24, you are getting some serious bang for your buck here. So this has buttons all the way down. These are true buttons, so they are functional. And this hits a little bit above the knee for me. I would call this a mini dress. I am 5'3" if that helps you for sizing reference, and I am wearing the small on this one. Now these sleeves do have a little bit of elastic to them, so you can actually pull them off the shoulder a little bit if you choose to do that, or leave them up on the shoulder and it will be kind of a square neck as well. This is my favorite outfit of the bunch, I think, this time around, just because I feel like both of these pieces are so versatile. You'll get a ton of wear out of them, and they're both very affordable. So this is kind of like a boxy tee. So this is actually the small. I would say this runs a little bit on the oversized side, but that kind of is the way that it's supposed to fit. It's supposed to fit a little bit boxy. I like that this is this style of top that's very popular right now, but this is not a crop top. So many of these that I've seen recently are this kind of boxier fit, which I love, but they're very short tops, and I am just not dying for my stomach to be out at the current stage of life that I'm in right now. So this, I feel like you can get that style, but still remain covered if that is important to you. This comes in a zillion different color options, some stripes, some plain colors. This is kind of like a mauve, peachy, kind of pink color. And this has little slits down on the bottom as well. I don't know why I keep being just surprised by the quality of the free assembly denim, but every time I get them in, I'm just like, oh my gosh, that far exceeded my expectations once again for denim. I just truly cannot believe the quality for the price. I think this skirt is like $22 or something, guys. Such a good price on this. But this is the vintage black. This also comes in a dark wash denim and a light wash denim. This has got buttons all the way down the front. Again, these are functional buttons, and this one actually has pockets in the back as well. Such a cute little fit on this. Very simple, very easy to style a million different ways. And this is kind of a stretchy denim, so it's actually pretty comfortable on as well. It's not too tight. I will say with free assembly denim, I've mentioned this before, but I say that their denim runs a little on the smaller side from what I'm seeing. So if you're between sizes, if you know for sure what size you are, get your normal size. If you run between sizes, like me, I tend to run between size 4 and size 6. I always snag the 6 in the free assembly denim, so I would get the bigger one if you do run between. Kind of a unique dress. I feel like I'm seeing a lot of similar style dresses. There's a lot of the puff sleeve, a lot of the tiered dresses right now. So I appreciate when I see something that I haven't seen in every other store and on every other site. So this one is pretty unique. This is a midi dress, so this one comes down a little bit longer. This would actually be a great summer workwear piece too. You could definitely do this with a pair of pumps if you work somewhere where you dress a little bit nicer, or you could do it with slides like I did it, or even a pair of like nice looking sandals. If you're allowed to wear sandals at your job, I think this would work for summer workwear too. So this has a little ruffle around the neck. It is a V-neck neckline, and then a little bit of stitching here on the chest. These are functional buttons as well, and then it's got elastic around the sleeve, and then kind of a smocked elastic around the back as well. So I have the small in this one. This one is definitely true to size, and this is more of an A-line fit. This is my other favorite outfit of the bunch. I love these denim. This denim I think is such a fun pair, and this bodysuit is very affordable too. So this is a little cap sleeve bodysuit, kind of square neckline. Now this is a thong bodysuit, so I will tell you when my trick to these is just to never actually button them because I don't particularly like the way that that feels, but since it is a bodysuit, it does have these longer pieces that you can tuck in and it will give you the same look basically either way. So that's my little workaround if I feel like the bodysuit itself is a little bit uncomfortable. But I do like the silhouette that this provides, and this is just a simple cotton blend. This comes in several other colors. These jeans are so much fun. So another pair of amazing free assembly denim. These are a big wide leg at the bottom, and these are more of an ankle jean. So I am 5'3", if that helps you for height reference. And again, I got the 6s in these. So I would probably still recommend sizing up one, even though these are kind of a looser, more wide leg fit. These do not have really stretch to them. The tiniest bit of stretch, but these are more of a stiff classic denim. But I think the fit on these is so fun. I love the wash, and these just fit even better than I was expecting. This is basically the perfect summer dress. So this is actually a linen midi dress. It's this really light, easy breezy white color, but this is not see-through. So that is fantastic. As long as you're wearing nude undergarments under this, you should be totally fine without a slip or anything like that. So it's really nice for those hot summer days. I have the small in this one, and it's got this kind of seam down the middle. Might be a little bit hard to see on the video, and it has the same thing in the back. So this is actually double V in the front and back, and then it's got little slits on the sides as well, and I had the small in this one too. Another really fun one-piece dressing option for summer is this little denim romper. I'm all about the denim things. You guys know I love a good chambray dress. This is kind of a similar vibe, but in a romper version. Now, unintended benefit to this for me is that this is actually very nursing friendly since these buttons are functional. This has been one of the easiest things to breastfeed in. So I've actually been wearing this one more than I even thought that I would for that particular reason. So this is drawstring. This is a true drawstring, so you can actually tighten this around the waist. So it is like the drawstring elastic on the back, and then there's one pocket on the back. It's got front pockets on both sides that are true functional pockets as well. And I love the length on this one. A lot of the little jumpers and rompers that I've seen run pretty short, and they're kind of that, I don't know, real summery, kind of teeny bopper looking vibe. I like that this one feels very appropriate for my stage of life and mommyhood and doing all of the things that I need to do without my booty hanging out. So I have the small in this one as well. Now for a couple of bonus men's outfit options. I asked Cody if he wanted to come and talk about the men's outfits, and he was like, I think I'm gonna let you handle that. So here we are, but these are very affordable, great quality pieces as well. So this is kind of a beachy type of hoodie or sweatshirt. So this is kind of like a terry type material. So it's really soft, really lightweight. So I feel like he actually wears this one around the house in the summer. We're both the type to keep the AC pretty cold in the house and then like to wear sweatshirts or long sleeves, or I usually do like a cardigan or sweater or something just around the house. So this is perfect for that. And then he'll be able to wear this a lot in the fall as well. Really impressed with the quality on this one for the price again. And let me check sizing on this before I tell you the wrong thing. He has the large in this one. I snagged in the medium in these shorts, and I think these are really fun. So these are a drawstring. They're not a swim short. These are kind of like the material of a chino or like a khaki type short, but I thought this color was really fun and unique. He doesn't have anything in his closet like this, but he loves just like a classic short. You can do so much with these. Since this is a drawstring, these are really easy to do casually, and you can pair this with a lot of different items. And they do have these in some other neutral colors if you aren't into the bright blue. This is probably my favorite of Cody's outfits. So this is a classic pair of summer shorts. These are similar to the ones I was just sharing, but these are not a drawstring. So you can definitely wear these a little bit more dressed up as well as casually too. The nice thing about these is these are button front, so they look a little bit dressier, but they actually have a drawstring on the inside. So you can customize this a little bit. This is a true functional drawstring. You can customize that a little bit based on sizing and what you might need. And I got him his true size, which is 32 in the shorts. Free Assembly has quite a few great basic tees for guys and girls. Actually, they have lots of good just like pocket tees and things like that in the women's section too. But I loved this one for Cody. So this is just a classic pocket tee. I got him a large in this one, so he has some wiggle room here. He tends to run between medium and large in shirts. Usually we buy him the bigger size in basically all brands, so that if they shrink in the wash or whatever, as he wears them, he has a little bit more room. So this has kind of some fun colors in the stripes here. There's like an olive green, yellow, and then pink and blue, and this comes in several other color options too. Cody was really unsure about my decision to get him a jacket to wear with shorts, but I do that personally all the time in the summer. So, and especially on into when the weather starts cooling down a little bit. So I decided that it was time that he tried that out, and I think it does a lot for the outfit. It kind of dresses it up, makes it a little bit more appropriate for like if we go on a day date, or if he wants to wear this to church, he can wear his comfortable shorts and t-shirt, but have it look a little bit more dressed up and nice. So this is kind of like a faux suede jacket. Again, fantastic price on this one. It's kind of like a bomber jacket, but it fits just like a boxy fit on the bottom. I would say this is a mix between like an anorak maybe and a bomber jacket. So this has pockets on both sides, and it is zip closure, and then it doesn't have a hood or anything. It's just a collar, and he has the large in this one as well. That's a wrap on our Walmart haul. I hope that was fun for you guys to watch and that you found some great items or some good inspiration. Just as always, everything is linked in the video description. So I've got all the Walmart items that I shared linked there, as well as styling items, sunglasses, bracelets, bags, all of those things are linked in that description. So make sure that you're subscribed to our channel. We've got the Nordstrom anniversary sale coming up at the end of this week. We'll be going down to Dallas like we always do and covering that for you, and I'm so excited. All the good fall fashion finds coming your way, so make sure you're subscribed to catch that.